About this channel disclaimer. The content provided on this channel is not financial advice and is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any financial decisions. Welcome. My name is Rees, and this is my channel Echo and Vision. If you're interested in 1. Earning more money. 2. Managing debt effectively. 3. Building passive income streams. 4. Investing. 5. Personal finance tips. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. All videos are animated by me under the Echo and Vision brand. My goal is to simplify complex financial topics, making them easy to understand and fun to watch. Note: there are countless ways to make money, and success depends on your skills, interests, and available resources. Stay tuned for actionable insights and engaging content to help you on your financial journey. 1. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. 1. Share this with a friend who's starting their investment journey. Here's a guide to the best apps for beginners looking to dive into investing. These apps are designed to be user-friendly, educational, and tailored to help beginners build confidence in their investment journey. Top apps for beginner investors. 1. Robinhood. 1. Why it's great: commission-free trading. Simple interface for buying stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Offers fractional shares. Invest in high-priced stocks with just a few dollars. 2. Best for US-based beginners looking for a hassle-free start. 3. Drawbacks. Limited research tools, not available outside the US. 2. Acorns. 1. Why it's great: Roundup. Feature invests spare change from everyday purchases. Automated portfolio management tailored to your risk level. Great for passive investors and long-term savings. 2. Best for those who struggle to save or are intimidated by active trading. 3. Drawbacks. Monthly fees can erode small account balances. 3. Wealthsimple, Canada. 1. Why it's great: easy-to-use platform for Canadian investors. Offers fractional shares and automated portfolios. Includes crypto and socially responsible investing options. 2. Best for Canadians looking for an all-in-one investing platform. 3. Drawbacks. Higher fees compared to some US-based apps. 4. Stash. 1. Why it's great: combines micro-investing and education. Lets you invest as little as $5 in individual stocks and ETFs. Offers personalized investment recommendations. 2. Best for beginners wanting to learn while they invest. 3. Drawbacks. Subscription fees for premium features. 5. eToro. 1. Why it's great: social trading feature to learn from experienced investors. Commission-free trades on stocks and ETFs. Global availability, in over 100 countries. 2. Best for beginners who want a global perspective and to copy trades. 3. Drawbacks. High fees for withdrawing funds. 6. Fidelity Spire. 1. Why it's great: designed to help beginners set and achieve financial goals. Free access to stocks, ETFs, and no account minimums. Tools to track progress toward financial milestones. 2. Best for US beginners with a goal-oriented mindset. 3. Drawbacks. Limited to US-based users. 7. Public. 1. Why it's great: commission-free investing with fractional shares. Combines investing with community discussions. Focuses on transparency by eliminating payment for order flow, PFOF. 2. Best for socially conscious beginners looking for community engagement. 3. Drawbacks. Fewer advanced research tools. 8. Betterment. 1. Why it's great: automated investing with robo-advisor services. Diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance. Offers goal-setting features for long-term planning. 2. Best for Passive investors who prefer a hands-off approach. 3. Drawbacks. Management fees might not appeal to active investors. How to choose the right app. 1. Define your goals. Are you looking for active trading, passive investing, or saving for the long term? 2. Ease of use. Opt for apps with a simple and intuitive interface. 3. Educational resources. If you're new to investing, apps with tutorials and articles are invaluable. 4. Fees and costs. Consider subscription fees, trading commissions, and account minimums. 5. Investment options. Check whether the app supports your preferred assets like stocks, ETFs, or crypto. Pro tips for beginner investors. 1. Start small. Begin with a small amount and focus on learning. 2. Diversify. Spread your investments across different sectors to minimize risk. 3. Automate. Use tools that allow automatic contributions to your portfolio. Stay consistent. Regular investing is more important than timing the market. 5. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Share this with a friend who's starting their investment journey.